blue so deep and wide, with gentle waves that roll and slide. The sun shines bright, the clouds float high, as the waves go dancing, reaching the sky. The seashells shimmer on the shore, with whispers of secrets from days of yore. The dolphins jump so graceful and free, leaping together in the sparkling sea. The little fish swim in schools so neat, with colorful scales they move so sweet. The crabs scuttle on the sandy ground, their tiny feet make a soft, sweet sound. The seagulls soar so high and bright, chasing the wind, a beautiful sight. The turtles crawl slow and steady, on the shore their pace is always ready. The tide comes in, the tide goes out, a constant rhythm, no doubt. The ocean hums a lullaby under the soft, starry sky. The waves sing a song both big and small, telling the story of the ocean's call. With every wave that splashes near, the magic of the sea is always here. So let's explore with hearts so free, and listen to the ocean's melody. The sea is waiting, full of delight, to show us its wonders day and night. The waves sing a song, both big and small.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos. Please like, subscribe.